May 14 GFG question. So look and say pattern. What they're saying is that you have to initialize a string with 1 initially, and then you have to say out this number loudly, and whatever you say out, you have to store it in the next string. For example, what is this? This is 1 1, right? You will pronounce it as 1 1, 1 times 1, right? So that is what you have as new string. Then what is this? This is two ones, right? So I have to pronounce that as two ones. Then you have 1 2 and 1 1. Then you have 1 1 1 2 and two ones. So 1 1 1 2 and two ones. So you have to keep continuing this till the given value of n. Suppose in this example the n was 5. That is why you have to return the fifth iteration of this same pattern. So the constraint are only till 30. So it is pretty simple. We just have to apply the brute force here. You have to initialize the string s with 1 and a row as 1. And you have to return the nth row of this traversal. So keep updating the s till row is equals to n. So there is nothing much to explain here. All you are doing is you're counting the frequencies of same character. For example, these two are same characters. So you're counting the frequency. The frequency here is 2. So that is why you have to update. You have to create a new string with first the frequency value, that is 2, and then the actual value of whose frequency you wrote here, so that is 1. So and then here the frequency of 2 is 1, that is why 1, and then the actual value 2. The frequency of 1 is 1 and the actual value 1. Here the frequency of 1 is 1, then the actual value 1. Frequency of 2 is also 1, then frequency of 1 is 2, and then the actual value. So you're just counting the frequencies, nothing more than that. So I will try to explain the code directly because there is nothing much to think here. So I initialized the string with 1. The row count is also 1. So we are traversing simply till you get to the nth row. I'm keeping a string result variable to generate the next string. The next string will be stored in this result, and then I'm updating the current string with this result and also incrementing the row count. So how am I updating it? I'm traversing in this s string, right? Current string. So first I'm storing the current character and the frequency of that character. Currently it is 0, and I will traverse the string until I'm encountering the same character, and I will keep updating the frequency and also the pointer. And in the end I'm going to just count. This is to convert the number. Count is a numeric value. I'm converting it into a character in order to push into the string. So I'm just pushing the frequency and then I'm pushing the character back. So there is nothing much to do here, right? You can see this is the exact same code, and I'll just submit this.